Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan diri, nama saya Mizan dari Prodi Manajemen kelas 23A dengan nomor NPM 23411-067. Di sini saya ingin menjelaskan materi tentang Elevating Experience, the Power of Consumer Experience and Service Design. What is consumer experience, CX, and why does it matter? Customer-centric focus. CX encompasses every interaction a consumer has with your brand, from discovery to post-purchase support. It's about their feeling and perception. Driving business growth. Expansional CX leads to increased loyalty, higher retention rates, positive word of mouth, and ultimately stronger revenue growth. Building brand reputation. In today's competitive landscape, a positive consumer experience is a key differentiator that will trust a stranger your brand standing. Next, beyond the touch point. Introduction to service design. The holistic view. Service design takes a broader, holistic approach, looking at the entire ecosystem of people, process, and physical events that create a service. Orchestrating interaction. It's about intentionally orchestrating all elements about front stage, what the consumer sees, and backstage, behind the scan operation, to deliver a seamless and valuable consumer experience. And from silos to synergy. By connecting disparate parts of an organization, service design break down silos, fostering collaboration and creating an unfit approach to service delivery. And next, mapping the journey, understanding consumer behavior. Discovery. How do consumers first learn about your service? What are their initial needs and expectations? And two, consideration. What research do they conduct? What factors influence that decision-making process? Interaction. Every touch point where the consumer engages with your service, both digital and physical. Post-service. What happens after the core service is delivery, support, feedback, and continued engagement. And next, the human element, empathy-driven design. Stepping into their shoes. Empathy is at the core of understanding consumer needs, pain points, and desires. Active listening, gathering insight through interview, observation, and feedback loops to genuinely understand their world. Persona creation, developing detailed consumer personas to human that and with design decision, designing with composition, crafting solution that not only solve problem but also reason emotionally with consumer. And next, blueprinting success, crafting service economic system, payment gateway analytic, supports process, billing ops escalation, workflow, and QA. Employee action, onboard user, handle issue, monitor. Consumer step, seek up, cost plan, use feature, and customer action. Enter detail, confirm email, and engage. Physical evidence, welcome email, billing packs, UI choose. And next, from insight to action, prototyping and testing solution. Rapid prototyping, quickly creating tangible representation of service concept from sketches to digital mock-ups. Next, user testing. Engaging real user to prototype, gather feedback, and validate assumption in a iterative cycle. This iterative process allows for continued refinement, ensuring solutions and truly consumer-centric and effective before full implementation. And next, case study. Transforming a common service interaction. The challenges are traditional, often first-thing consumer support phone-free experience. The solution, designed at intelligent chatbot and retained agent workflow for quicker, more personalized resolution. The outcome, reduce call wait times by increased first contact resolution and boosted consumer satisfaction scores. Measuring impact. Key metric for CX and service design. Customer satisfaction directly measures how satisfied consumers are with a specific interaction of overall service. Net Promoter Scores judges consumer loyalty and their willingness to recommend your service to others. Consumer effort measures how easy it was for consumers to resolve an issue or complete a task. Beyond this, track operational metrics like first contact resolution, average handling time, and churn rate to assess comprehensive impact. And your next steps, building a consumer-centric feature. Invest in research, understand your consumer deeply, track continuous feedback, and journey mapping. Foster collaboration. Break down internal silos to ensure a unfilled service delivery experience. And next, Insight innovates. Embrace prototyping and testing to continuously improve and adapt your service. Prioritize CX and service design. Make it a strategy imperative to differentiate and thrive in the market. Measure how easy it was for consumers to resolve an issue or complete a task. Thank you.